Have you ever wanted to fly first class overseas or partake in lounge access at the airport? Well, stick around because we're going to be sharing a few tips to getting there for your next big adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back. You may recognize this airport behind us. We are here in Detroit again. However, we are headed out to our 5th continent for this year.
I'll tell you how excited I am to fly something other than economy.
Now the only downside is this is only a 9-hour flight, but I'll take it. Today we're going into the Delta Sky Lounge, which is only possible if you are a Delta Sky Miles card holder or you're flying business or first class. So without further ado, let's get into the lounge.
I really enjoy lounge access because you get access to free food and beverage and a quiet place to kind of hang out and decompress in between flights. It's really nice.
Sometimes even massage guns, sometimes even showers, things like that that aren't available to the general public.
Are you ready?
I get all of this space. All of it. It's all mine.
As we're flying to Rome right this moment, the current average price from Houston to Rome is around $3,000 per person or more, and that's just for economy. If you want to fly this first class, or even in this case, Delta One, you'd end up spending around $5,000 per person or a little bit more.
Buttons here, you can adjust anything you want, and even your lie flat section. This is so nice. And even when I start to move forward, I still cannot touch.
So how did we snag these tickets for such a great deal? Well, you may have seen these people before, Kara and Nate. We've been subscribed to their channel, The Daily Drop, for a while now, and even subscribed to their newsletter. If you've never heard of The Daily Drop, then now is a good time to share a little bit about it. The Daily Drop is a free, yes I said free, travel newsletter that also shares ways to enhance your next adventure through travel hacking. One of my favorite tools from Daily Drop is their super convenient credit card transfer cheat sheet, which you can use to transfer points from your credit card to save on flights, or you can do what I did and transfer points via hotel programs.
Located right behind me is my earphones, as well as a little tiny nightlight that just pops right up. It's so cute. And also located right next to me is my own little personal charging station that I can charge anything else that I particularly want to. The only downside of this particular seat is there's no partition, so if I didn't know Brad, I would have to look at his ugly mug the entire 9 hours.
So here's where it all started. I had $1,000 on a gift card that I could have spent anywhere else, but I decided to maximize on travel. And in this case, I decided to use it towards points through Marriott Bonvoy. At the time, Marriott had been offering a 50% bonus promotion. Say I wanted to buy 1,000 points, I would get 500 points in addition to my 1,000 points. Make sure you check the ratios section before purchasing. Keep in mind, in order to earn bonus points, you must meet the minimum spend. During bonus point dates, the more you buy, the more you earn. But just remember that Marriott has a maximum cutoff of 100,000 points per calendar year. After you acquire your new points, you can now move them over. You can use your newly acquired points to book or upgrade flights. We used ours to upgrade from economy to first class. Now let's get back to this flight.
I'm gonna open mine for you guys so you can see what's in it. And it's made with this super cute bag that's made from Mexico. Inside of this amenity kit. Oh, how cute. So, oh, it tells you who made it. Flora Bell made ours. Very cute. And it has a matching eye mask, which I love. I'm like starting a collection of eye masks. I needed a new one, so thank you. Earplugs, always appreciated because Brad snores. And oh my gosh. Okay, I've been crying about this and like screaming at how much I love this particular hand cream that is specifically on Delta, and it was actually on our flight home, last flight. So excited to have my own. And it also comes with a lip balm, also made by Grown Alchemist. and a cutie patootie little tiny bag, which I also needed for some of the jewelry that I'm wearing because I didn't pack a bag, so yay! Win, win, win for me. And we also have, oh yes, a toothbrush with toothpaste that is eco-friendly, which is my favorite. And it is a wooden toothbrush, which I absolutely love. All right, and last but not least, I am a collector of pens. And now I have a brand new pen, and this also looks like it's eco-friendly. Always take pens because I just love them, and you just never know when you're gonna need one. Well, we've both finished our meals at this point, and I've just finished up my series that I've been watching of Ghosts, and it's been really great, but unfortunately they only have the first series out. So it's about time to go to bed. So I'm gonna grab my stuff up there, and I think I'm gonna lay flat for a little bit.
If you're interested in the daily drop, please use our referral link and let Kara and Nate know that we said hi by using that link in our description box below.
We're less than 30 minutes away from hitting our landing spot in Rome, Italy. This has been an enjoyable flight. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you like this content, let us know in the comments below. That way we can make some more fun content like this for you.
We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys on the next ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.